Hey, what's up guys? My name is Tivian and today we're gonna unbox and take a first look at the JBL Bar 5.1. This product comes in an odd looking box together with one soundbar, two speakers and one amplifier, which makes it a little awkwardly unbalanced when you're trying to carry it. The packaging is well thought out with compartments for each part that makes it really easy to remove. The product overall design pays attention to detail while still keeping that minimalistic look. There's two rechargeable speakers that you can either attach to the main soundbar or position them behind you so that you can achieve that surround sound effect. There's charging ports on both sides of the soundbar, a selective LED screen, barely any wiring, and a really handy remote. Here's a quick sample of how the setup sounds like. That's all we have on the unboxing and first look. Stay tuned for the full review. My name is Tivian and I'll see you guys next time.